Hello friends, my name is Asutosh. I am here to discuss the ADDS lab. So first of all, to deploy ADDS on AWS, we have to learn about AWS Quick Start, that how we do and how to deploy ADDS on AWS and what are the ways to deploy the process and to process them. So from scenario, we will go to quick launch and it will open a stack which says that sample template is already saved in S3 bucket, and now we will just create a stack from that. So we will give the stack name and choose the proper region. So suppose I have choosing the OYO region for my first instance, so I have to give the stack name. So for that I have to go to the CloudFormation. Here we will create a stack. For creating a stack, we need to choose to create a stack in the CloudFormation. Then there we need to choose the file, and then we have to click to the next. To create us, it will take approximately it will take 15 to 20 minutes to create a stack. Create it, then it will show the stack name, something like that. Here is my stack. After the stack has been created, we need to check the EC2 instance. So we will go to EC2 and let's see it has been created or not. So it is, my EC2 instance is opening. So yes, here we can see my two running instances. So here is my instance. I can see my instances here at the instances. So here is my instance after the creation of the stack. After creating instance, we will log into the instance through the RDP. After logging to the instance, we can see the details of the instance. Then we will promote the ADDS service from the roles and features for that domain that we have already created. So yes, we will go to see our RDP. It will ask the authentication requirement, so we will give the username. After logging into the instances, we can see the details of instance. Then we will promote the ADDS service from the roles and features, and for that domain that we have already created. After that, we will create the users. After logging with the domain credential, we will create the user in the Active Directory users and computers. From the user panel, we will create some user by giving the username and setting the password. So we see the basic steps from the quick start. So from the quick start, we select the quick launch, then we have did all the fundamental things. We have given the stack name, and we have created the VPC. We have seen our RDS. Now the main thing start from here. So from here I will create a, like I already shown you how to create a stack and how to assign all the details like IAM roles and everything, the key and the value. Configure the CloudFormers stack. After creating the CloudFormers stack, now we will configure it from the clicking on the output link, which is creating the stack details in the output panel. From that panel, click or copy the link and paste it into the browser. After opening the link, we have to give the credentials, the stack that we have given, the username and the password for that stack with the VPC. After signing into the cloud form, choose the region and give the description of the stack. So here I am choosing Oregon. Select the VPC from the EC2 instance that we have selected from the mandate deployment or that newly created VPC, and we have to choose one subnet, or we can select more than one as well. And we have to provide the network ACL regard to VPC. Then we have to select the elastic IP, which is a static IP, and we have to check the IP which is associated with that or not. It is something like the which see the outbound traffic as well. So we have to select the security group that is compatible to the VPC. Here we can see our AWS CloudFormer, that is our VPC. Select some VPC subnets, so I have selected here. Then select the CloudFormer, so I have chosen these things. Next we can see the elastic IP address. Next Auto scaling grooves, I have chosen ADDA scenario 3, RDWDS. Next, I have chosen this ADDA scenario 3, RDGW stack, and ADDA scenario 3 ADD stack. So far we have seen how to create the CloudFormer. Now we will see deploying and automating Microsoft ADDS using the AWS ADDS. So first of all, we will create a stack, and the modification step will be from here. So after creating a new stack, select the design template, and after selecting the design template, we have to select the components and the template from those template, and then the template which we have chosen, we have to paste that template code from the top of the left hand side and select the open template. After pasting the code, we can see the design of the template, but before that we have to refresh the design as compatible to the template code. After pasting the code, you can see the design of the template, but before that we have seen like how to design the template from that, and from the stack as well. So for designing the template, we will see the minor error, and we have to find the any error like error, that means the same stack that exists in my North California region, and then that stack name we have to change the credentials, or else we can delete the existing stack as well. After downloading the template, we will do some changes, like in the subnet, DHCP, IDW, ACL, routing table, elastic IP, instance type, availability zone, and security group. After that, we will just put the auto scale to 1, and in the EC2 instance you can see the instance as well. So for that I will go to my services, EC2, so it is opening my EC2 instances. So here I can see my running instances here. So for that I need to go to the auto scaling thing. So here in my instances I can see my auto scaling, as you can see. Then we have to go to the auto scaling groups. Now it will open the auto scaling group for me, and yes, now here's the thing that we need to do some modification. So here we will edit our things, and as we can see, the desired things was supposed to be 0, so I put it here 1. I edited this, the minimum I have edited to 1, it was earlier 0, and here also the maximum also it was 0, I have done the 1. No, it's not required to do it 1, it should be remain 0 only. So 3 things we have modified, and after modifying the things, we need to save this, and after scale to 1 and the EC2 instance, you can see the EC2 instance here. And after doing this, we will go to our EC2 dashboard, and after doing this modification, yes, here are the things, like you can see 2 running instances. Earlier we were able to see the one instance, which is this one, and now we can see this one as well, the second instance. So here's the thing. Yes, so thank you guys. I hope this blog will, like this video will help you to create the on stack by using previous template code in AWS for ADDS. So it's a very simple app. Just we need to focus on our templates. Like we need to, like it's actually a fun to edit all the template things from of the one region and to the other region. We just need to be very careful regarding the editing portion of the template. And as soon, like as we proceed to the template thing, we will see the beauty of this lab. Like after doing all the template things, we are able to see our instances, auto scaling things, and we can like we can see here, I was in the Oregon. I have done these all things in the Oregon and North California region. I will. So yeah, so here's the rollback complete, and the stack is also has been created. Everything is done. So these are the things which we need to see the basic clearance over the previous template code in AWS for EDDS.